Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna review Tannerites YouTube channel, and they're having 2.44 million subscribers. So let's first check about, and in the description box we can see welcome to the home of You Are Worth It. You're worth it. We're a fun family of 9 trying to make the best out of life. We believe life is about making memories, building relationships, and learning to love. We are the Tannerites. Sarah, Mom, Johnny, Dad, Branson, Ellie, Daniel, Savannah, Lizzie, Az, Kenyon, I guess. And this was the description about the family. So we're gonna go check videos. And let's go check the first video ever made on YouTube. It was how many years ago? It was 5 years ago and 251,000 views. So we're gonna go ahead and check the most popular video on their channel. And it was made 1 year ago with 38 million views. Baldi's Basics at Granny's Homeschool. And the second viewed video here is 24 million views 4 months ago was created, and the third most viewed is 23 million views, also was 7 months ago. All right, for the more review, we can go ahead and check Social Blade. And here we can see more detailed review. They having 982 videos with 2.44 million subscribers, 1,109,791,856 video views. Country US, channel type is people, and the channel was created in 2015. The total grade is A. They are on 332nd place on Social Blade rank, 7,237th place in subscribers rank. For the video views rank, they're on 4,092nd place. For the countries US rank, they are on 2,043rd place and on 717th place for the people's rank. For the last 30 days, they got 160,000 subscribers and estimated monthly earnings anywhere from 42,500 to $679,600. And estimated yearly earnings, they get anywhere from $509,700 to $8.2 million from their YouTube channel. Now we can check how many video views for the last 30 days. It's 169.896 million, and it actually went up 57.9%. So they get more views now. For the daily earnings is anywhere from $1,400 to $22,700. Weekly is anywhere from almost 10,000 to 158,000. And for the last 30 days, the channel got from $42,500 to $679,600. We're gonna go down more, and we can see here when the channel actually went up, growing. For the video views, it was in September 2020, I guess. Yeah, August, September. And for the subscribers, it's also went up in my month of April 2020. They got 200,000 more subscribers in this month. So one more thing I wanted to mention here is in the future, Social Blade is saying how much they're gonna have, how many subscribers. Let's see, in 5 years, the prediction is that this family is going to have 26,221,120 subscribers and 22,421,832,404 video views in their channel. And we can see that Tannerites family is going to grow. I mean their channel. I meant their channel, and looks like I think this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel, Extreme Reviews. And if you guys want me to do more channel reviews, YouTube channel reviews, just write down below in the comments section which channel you want me to do review for, and I will do that review for you guys. If you guys and again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.